To download Google Wallet, start by ensuring your device meets the necessary requirements. Google Wallet is available for both Android and iOS devices and can be downloaded from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. First, open the App Store on your device. For Android users, this will be the Google Play Store, while iOS users will use the App Store. Type Google Wallet into the search bar and select the app from the search results. Click the Install button to begin the download process. Depending on your device and internet connection, this may take a few seconds or minutes to complete. Once the installation is complete, click the Open button to launch the Google Wallet app. You will be prompted to sign in to your Google account. If you do not have a Google account, you can create one from within the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to sign in or create your account. After signing in, you will be asked to agree to the terms of service and set up a payment method. You can add a credit or debit card, or use an existing payment method from your Google account. To add a card, select the Add Card option and enter your card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. You may also be asked to verify your card with a small test charge. Once you have added a payment method, you can begin using Google Wallet to make payments online and in-store. You can also use the app to send and receive money, and to track your transactions and account activity. Best practices for using Google Wallet include keeping your device and account information secure, monitoring your account activity regularly, and only using trusted devices and networks to access your account. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely use Google Wallet to manage your payments and finances.